Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the bulls followed through. They hopped up. They did actually end up engaging the upper band. So if they can get some more follow through today, trade say above 93. We're trading about 80 right now. They can go ahead and try to get another band ride going. I'm expecting a move today. You've got just a ton of compression overnight. You can see how tight those bands are, similar to here, and we hopped up here. I would give the advantage to the bulls. You have to, because of the slant on this chart. We continue to make higher highs. The hourly midband is kind of trying to be resistance, but it's not doing a very good job of it, and you can see that it's trying to convert it now. You've got the daily pivot coming in, in and around 78. 78.17 actually. Your hourly midband right now is 79 even. So that's going to be the key area for me off the open today. And if it can get above 89, it should really be able to run. There's enough fuel packed into this compression move to go ahead and engage the bands up at 93, call it 93 to 95. If it breaks down at a minimum, I would expect a test of yesterday's low down at 28.69. What the bears are going to have to be mindful of in that situation is don't be trading down to 28.69 and then turning it into some kind of a double bottom. The bulls will take advantage of that. Look, the bears had every opportunity yesterday to convert and hold it down into the close. They let them back up into the close. They converted our proprietary lower level, and it's at the point where they're going to have to do that next step. That's the only way the slow bleed to the upside abates. They have to do the next step. It's one thing to reject a high, which is what they did there at 28.89 quarter. It's something different to hold a key area and then do the next leg down and then hold it in the overnight. Okay? Now, we haven't taken out those highs yet. There's still a lot of potential for it just to be a high and lower high and then a lower low. But like I said, if you're going to go down to 28.69, then you need to create the lower low. You got the RTH low here at 28.69, then you got the Globex low back here at 65 quarter. So if the bears really wanted to make a statement today, they take out both those areas. If not, then my feeling is we bleed, and we bleed to the upside, and it's not unusual for price to walk itself up into the jobs report tomorrow morning 8:30. So that's very typical, and that's what the bears have to try to avoid today. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Watch 78 to 79. I will be on Instagram this morning 9:20. We'll do a live hit into the bell, and I will see everybody then. Take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.